Hi, I'm Trent Cox, class of 2001. Played basketball at Monmouth College for 3 years. Then I realized I wasn't going pro, but Monmouth was one of the greatest parts of my life. Still stick around in this area. Love to support them.
Jason Paulsgrove, class of 2003. I support Monmouth College because it was an amazing home to me during my college years, and it helped make me the successful person in my career and business that I am today.
I'm Mark Craddy, class of 2012. I support Monmouth because I'm a legacy.
Hey, I'm Kenzie Hyatt. I graduated in 2021. I'm currently a track and field assistant coach. What I really enjoyed about Monmouth is just the personal connections that I made and the people that helped get me to where I am today. So, roll Scots.
Hi, I'm Ben Ketchum. I graduated in the class of 2016. Love Monmouth because it was the best 4 years of my life.
Hi, I'm Anthony Ruggles. Graduated from Monmouth College in 2022. Monmouth is a second home to me. Every time I see somebody wearing Monmouth, I just think of them as my family. Roll Scots.